In Analysis tab, you'll find various tools that you can use to analyze the market activity, trends, see the pipeline and upcoming projects, compare project awards, companies, etc. The first tool, Market Index, is a graphical representation of the market activity and includes weekly snapshots of the project's market value starting from 2012. From this default view, we can see the GCC countries and the total value of active projects within them. You can see and compare current market values for different countries as of today, and you can go back in time to early 2012 to see how these markets changed and fluctuated over time. You can remove countries by clicking the names below in case you wish to leave only certain countries in the graph. Filters on the left allow you to add more countries, select specific sectors, and select the stage and status. You can change the time frames by moving the slider, and you can download the underlying data to Excel to do further analysis. Project pipeline is a chart based on projects currently in pre-execution, projects that are not yet awarded. It gives you an idea of the value of the pipeline of future projects in a given location or sector. The default pie chart gives us a breakdown of upcoming projects by status, where we can see the value of projects currently in design stage, study, FEED, etc. We can also see the breakdown by industry and by country. The data can be presented in a bar chart as well. You can use the filters on the left to be more specific and select countries and sectors that you'd like to see in the graph. The pie chart can be downloaded as an image, and you can download the underlying data below to Excel. Project award analysis is a graphical representation of historical project awards till date. It shows you yearly and quarterly value of projects awarded over time. You can, for example, see the total value of projects awarded in 2018, where the blue line tells us how many projects awarded in 2018 have been completed, and the red one represents the portion of projects still under execution. You can also see the breakdown of contracts awarded each year in different industries. Also sectors, and you can split the data by quarter. Filters on the left-hand side allow you to focus on and analyze particular countries and sectors. You can download the graph and the underlying data. Cash flow analysis feature looks at project spending on a cash flow basis. Cash flow for each project is calculated using the normal distribution of the project's budget between the main contract award date and the expected completion date. Cash flow analysis graph combines cash flow of all individual projects on the platform to give you an overall spending analysis of the market. The bar chart here is showing you yearly and quarterly cash flow value. The graph is showing you both historical and current data. You can see in red here the yearly cash flow of projects now completed. It's also showing you spending for projects currently in execution in blue, and it gives you the spending forecast for both projects currently in pre-execution in dark red and for projects under execution in blue. The data can be split by industry and also by quarter, and you can download the graph and the underlying data. Company Rankings tool allows you to rank the data to understand who are the largest companies in a particular role, sector, or country. Filters on the left-hand side allow you to select the location, sector, stage and status, and choose the company role. I've selected GCC, construction, execution, and in roles, main contractors. Based on the selected filters, this is the list of the top 20 main contractors in GCC for construction sector. The list is based on value of their ongoing projects that are currently under execution. You can also use company country of origin filter to select countries of certain nationality only. Company names in the list are hyperlinked to their profiles on the platform, so you can easily view and access all their projects. The list can be downloaded to Excel, where you'll have a complete list of main contractors that you can rank. Company Relationships tool allows you to see relationships between project owners, main contractors, consultants, and MEP subcontractors. As an example, I have selected GCC as location and construction as sector. Under stage and status, I've selected execution. Now I'll choose the company roles that I wish to see in the chart below. Let's look at relationships between project owners and main contractors. I can specify here how many companies of each type I want to see in the graph. After reloading the chart, I can see the leading project owners in red and top main contractors in blue. This is for projects under execution in construction sector in GCC based on the filters I previously selected. By clicking on each company name, you can see their main relationships with other companies in the chart. For example, if I click on Damac Properties, I can see they have 6 projects partnered with Arabtech and 3 with China State, and I can open and view profiles of these projects by clicking the number.